My hay fever is mad today, so that's why I sound all stuffy and bunged up. Beside the point, this is not what the video is about. I have seen this colour theory makeup trend on TikTok where you use like red and blue, and you also use red and blue LED lights to give yourself male and female features, and then obviously like under like one of the lights you look like a female, and under the other colour lights you have like male features. So I was like, okay, I literally need to try this because it looks insane. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So you don't use like any normal makeup colours. You use red where you want your male features to be, and blue where you want your female features to be. So I'm going to start off by adding a winged liner in blue, because I think having a winged liner is quite like feminine. So, and it will give my eyes a bit more of a feminine look when I change the light. So I'm going to do a blue winged liner first. So this is me starting with my blue winged liner. To make this winged liner, I literally just mixed a bit of like blue pigment with like some pigment mixer, and then it finishes like matte, so it's pretty good for like a blue liner. Okay, so this is my blue liner. I kind of like blue liner actually, it looks kind of cool. Now what I'm doing is I'm just sticking on some accent lashes, and I'm gonna make them blue. I've got some blue mascara and some white primer to like cancel out the black of the lashes and make them blue, and I'm gonna do the same on the rest of my lashes as well. So this is the lashes. I've literally added like the accent lashes on and then just covered them in blue mascara. I'm now gonna do like a blue lip. I'm literally gonna use the same pigment and just cover my lips with it really. This makeup is so crazy, but now I'm going to do the men's features in red. So I'm going to do like a little beard sort of thing, make my eyebrows a bit thicker in red. So this is my beard, hope you like it. Looks very funky. And I've also made my eyebrows thicker with red, so that the female side and the male side don't have the same eyebrows, because males tend to have thicker eyebrows. I'm also going to draw in a bit of a hairline for the male as well now. So overall, this is what I'm looking like. I've got a wing liner and lashes and like red. It was supposed to look red in the light. Red lipstick for the female. And for the male, I've added a hairline, made my eyebrows look thicker because male eyebrows are thicker. Oh, I also added a beauty spot for the female, and I've done a beard. So this looks so crazy right now. But let me show you under the lights. This is pretty impressive. So here I am, I've got my LED lights ready. So let me just show you how cool this looks. Like literal female makeup right here, and then male, female, male, female, male. I think this looks so cool. It's really impressive that when you turn it blue, like obviously all the other blue features cancel out, so you're just left with your red, and then when you turn it red, like the red features cancel out, so you can't see the beard, you can't see the hairline, you can't see the male things, and then when like you cannot see that, you can't see it at all. Like it just literally looks like female makeup, like lashes with a red lipstick. And then the blue one, it's so crazy, like there's no cuts or anything. This is literally just me switching my LED lights. I think this is so cool. It's actually so fun to try as well. Like I've literally made so many TikToks with this. I was like gonna insert them, but then I realized I've used like High School Musical, like you know the one where it's like Troy and Vanessa like, I gotta go my own way. And what about, yeah, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm not gonna, you know, not gonna do that. But yeah, I've done like loads of TikToks where it's like male and female singing, and obviously when it's been the female I've had the red lights on, when it's been male I've had the blue lights on. And I'm actually, this is so fun. Please try this. It's actually so jokes. I've had so much fun with it. I've literally been sat here for like an hour, like just making TikToks, because I've literally been sending videos of me to the group chat. I just think it honestly looks so joke. Yeah, honestly give this a try. It took me like 10 minutes, like probably like 10-15 minutes to actually do this makeup, because it's pretty easy. The one thing that has been annoying me though, I've had like holes in my beard because my nose has been running because of my hay fever, so that's pretty annoying. But yeah, this is the final look. So yeah, this has been fun, guys. It's been very, very fun. I think I actually look a little bit like a man, I'm not gonna lie. What should I name her? She's Courtney, and who's this? What's his name? Leave comments. This can be Courtney and
Courtney, because Courtney can be a male's name as well. So Courtney and Courtney. I'm having too much fun with this, so I'm gonna go. But yeah, this was just a little tutorial because this has literally been going viral on TikTok. I wish I could insert my TikToks, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah. So please remember to like and subscribe. Why am I doing it like this? Like, literally doing my outro as a man. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you in my next video. Bye.